Hey everyone, I'm Brijeet Akula, and I'm honored to be speaking at this year's Past Data Community Summit happening next month in November. This is a fantastic event that's been going on for 20 plus years now, and it's definitely one of my favorite ones to attend. If you're at all in the data space, this is the event that you want to be at. This year, I'll be doing a intro level presentation on Azure Data Factory from the perspective of an SSIS developer. This presentation really comes from a few internal training sessions I've done with my team, fellow SSIS developers who are coming into the ADF cloud space for the very first time. So we'll be going over things like where are my connection managers, where do the packages go, how do I do expressions. You're now working on a web page interface instead of Visual Studio. So we'll be getting into fun stuff like that. I hope you'll join me and the 200 other plus sessions we have at this event. Very much looking forward to it. Thanks.